Welcome. In this video, I will help you understand what the most used acronyms on YouTube videos mean. Let's start. First, we have AVD, which stands for Average View Duration. This metric calculates the average time viewers spend watching your videos. It's a critical indicator of engagement because it shows how long people stay interested in your content. Next, we have SEO, that stands for Search Engine Optimization. On YouTube, SEO means optimizing titles, tags, and descriptions to improve visibility in search results. Effective SEO increases discoverability. Third is the VPH, which means views per hour, and indicates the number of views a piece of content receives per hour. This metric helps creators understand the immediate engagement and trending potential of a video shortly after it's published. Next is the CTR, that stands for click-through rate. This measures the percentage of viewers who click on your video after seeing the thumbnail or title. High CTR means the thumbnail and title are effective in attracting attention. In number 5, we have CPM, which means cost per mille. CPM shows how much advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 views. It helps creators understand revenue potential from ad views. And the last one is the RPM, that stands for revenue per mille. Similar to CPM, but RPM indicates how much revenue a creator earns per 1,000 views after YouTube's cut and other fees. It gives a more realistic view of income. That's all. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.